Anytime you build anything, there's a reward. When you build boats, the reward is so much bigger, it's like a jackpot. My name is Bob Heidenreich. I served 22 years in the military, and I love building boats. So many veterans suffer from PTSD. They're trapped in their own minds, and you need to get something healthy for your mind to chew on, and this is it. Building a boat is yoga for the mind. Let's go. How you doing?
Come on, let's go.
I've been successful in convincing a couple of my friends to join me in this adventure. So this is the one that we ended up with 2 of, and we ended up with 0.
I'm Les Newport. I retired from the military about 1.5 years ago. I'm building my first boat.
When you serve in the military, you make a unique type of friendship with people.
I met Bob probably about 20 years ago, and he was one of those guys that I always went to when I needed help.
Boat building is very therapeutic. My wife tells me I need to stop talking about boats, but I can't because I feel like it's something that people need to know about.
It's a vehicle towards spending our time purposefully. We've been looking around talking to other veterans. You'd say, hey, you want to come out and build a boat? That sounds a bit much, you know. But then when they come out here and see what we're doing, the light goes on, and they're like, well, this is something I could do.
I think a lot of people assume that boat building requires a master craftsman with a bunch of sophisticated equipment. And that's not true. Anyone can do this. It's a very forgiving medium. If you make a mistake, everything's correctable. I think the sander is the most important power tool that you use, and it's up to you to decide how perfect you want to get it. It's your build, it's your boat, do it your way.
I'm nowhere near the craftsman that Bob is, but I think my boat's going to be faster than Bob's boat.
Every time you take it on the water is a victory lap. Even for just a couple hours is like a mini vacation. If you think you might want to build a boat or build something else or be creative in any way, go for it. Don't be afraid to fail, just go for it. So a friend of mine down in Fayetteville, North Carolina, who I served with, he said he's been ready to build a boat. He's already bought the lumber, he's ready to go. And I'm going to be going down to North Carolina to help him build his first boat. People say, look before you leap. Okay, I think what's more important is that you leap. Been a while.
It's good seeing you, man. How you doing?
Great. Ready to do this?
I'm ready. Let's go.